I'm Purnima Bahuguna and I'm a naturopath. And naturopathy believes in treating its patients naturally.
Many people suffer from belly fat issue. Despite rigorous exercise, healthy diet plan, one doesn't lose the belly fat many a times. People call it muffin top too. Many of my female clients post-pregnancy face the belly fat issue. Now, what to do? Well, I have a good news for you. Your kitchen has the wondrous magical remedy for it. Try it for 2 weeks and you would see the change. It's very easy to follow. Ingredients used are jeera, that is cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, kalonji, that is nigella seeds 3/4 teaspoon, sauf, that is fennel seeds 1/2 teaspoon, and ginger, that is adrak 1 inch with peel. Cumin, also known as jeera, is an earthy, nutty, somewhat bitter spice that is available in India and other countries. It has got unique weight loss power. It helps burn calories fast by increasing the metabolism rate and digestion. Apart from its weight loss abilities, cumin has got many other health benefits associated with it. It lowers bad cholesterol, prevents heart attack, increases memory, boosts immunity, treats anemia, increases digestion, prevents gases and bloating, etc. Kalonji is used in naturopathy to improve metabolism, reduce inflammation, and heal the digestive, respiratory, and circulatory systems. Among the ailments it's used to treat are hay fever, asthma, bronchitis, allergies, intestinal fungus, high blood pressure, flatulence, premenstrual headaches, and fevers. One of the oil's main constituents, thymoquinone, does have antioxidant properties. So you see how beneficial these seeds are. Fennel seeds, sauf, has metabolism boosting properties. It's very good for the liver health, but please do not drink it cold. Fennel seeds water should be taken lukewarm so that the mucus formation doesn't happen, else that would lead to bloating and belly fat gain. Now coming to ginger. Ginger, which is called adrak in Hindi, is extremely good for improving metabolism, preventing bloating, aiding in digestion, helps controlling white fat formation from starch and carbs. Not only can ginger help with weight maintenance in general, it can also keep that pesky belly fat at bay. Ginger can target the main reasons that belly fat accumulates, such as overeating, hormonal changes, and low energy leading to lack of exercise. Ginger helps you to feel full, so eating ginger or drinking ginger water can help curb the urge to overeat. As a natural appetite suppressant, consuming ginger is one of the best ways to aid in the weight loss process. An additional advantage is that ginger is nearly calorie-free and can be used fresh in cooking and brewing in tea. Hormonal changes and chronic stress can cause spikes in levels of blood cortisol, which throws the immune system and metabolism out of balance. According to an article in the Biological and Pharmaceutical Bulletin of 2004, ginger suppresses cortisol production. Elevated levels of cortisol may contribute to weight gain, especially making it hard to lose belly fat. If you want to use the healing powers of ginger to lose weight faster, here is what to do. Before eating, chew on a thin slice of ginger root. This will help in regulating metabolism. You can also grate a small piece of ginger and add a squeeze of lemon juice and a dash of salt. Then mix the ingredients. Eating a couple of small pinches of this mixture before you eat each of your meals helps to control appetite and aid digestion. This is an important part of our tummy tucker tea too. Now, let's talk about how to prepare the tea. We would take 500 ml of water, add 1 teaspoon jeera to it. Boil it on low flame for 5 minutes. We need to cover the lid to avoid evaporation. After 5 minutes, add the kalonji seeds. Then the fennel seeds, that is soft, and then the crushed ginger. This is how I crush it. You can grate it too. I have already washed it. Wash it very well, but do not take the peel off. Let this mixture cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Let it cool a little and drink half of it in the morning, empty stomach.
It should be lukewarm or little hotter than lukewarm, not cold. Drink half of it before bedtime. Follow this for 10 days without any gap. Give gap of 1 day and then again have it for 10 days. Gap of 1 day again followed by 10 days continuity. You would see the difference in first 10 days cycle only. Do not take this tea for more than 3 cycles, that is for more than 30 days in continuation. Start drinking this tea and get used to of the compliments you would get. Happy slimming! For any query, you can contact us at 999 0789 726. This is the WhatsApp number too. You can email us also at ourhealthmantra@gmail.com. Do visit our FB page, Our Health Mantra, for more such health mantras. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy and fit. Bye.